Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie, you know we're never tacky. So I'm gonna be doing a fall makeup look and it's gonna be super toasty, super pretty. I miss playing in my makeup. I literally just washed all of my brushes the other day. So yeah, as you can see, your girl is in a new hair color and I feel like this is gonna be so pretty. This is what I was trying to do with the Lotto video, but this is gonna be so pretty with the toasty look. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip, and if you see, I slammed my finger into the door the other day, so that's an issue. That's the problem. So excuse the gross cut. It's gonna take a while to heal because I feel like I broke a bone. If I wasn't able to do this, I would check myself in the emergency room. Videos where I will be using, this is gonna be one of those videos where I will be using drugstore and high-end. So yeah, like I don't discriminate. As long as the product is good, I'm with it. So as always, I'm gonna start off with my Kosas. This is not Kosas. I'm gonna start off with my who is this? I'm gonna start off with my Natasha Denona, and that is to color correct. You guys, color correcting has been a heaven sent for me because I deal with a lot of hyperpigmentation, and I like to like cancel out the shadows to give myself like a whole new face. And that's I literally cancel out the shadows to create a whole new face, and it honestly gives you like a nice little balance. It gives you like more room to play with. Like makeup, we're always looking for different ways to play with our face, and I think color correcting with the perfect color, especially like colors like this, like look at that, it's like almost like foundation, but it does not perform like a foundation. This cancels out, where did I just put it? I just put it down. Oh, there. But this just basically cancels out every shadow. And yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it lightweight because we are gonna be wearing a whole lot of makeup, girl. To start off, well, our next step is gonna be, I'm gonna go in with this, our House of Labs, and this is in the shade Silhouette. And I'm just, again, you see how my cheekbones were down here before? Now I'm just gonna start them up here, and then I'm gonna bronze up my face a little bit, and then over here, and then with my nose, for this area, I'm gonna go in with a tinier brush and give myself a new longer nose, babe. Like, cause now I'm giving myself my own shadows. Like now I dictate where it starts and where it ends. And I think a brush, a tiny brush like this helps with it a lot. Then I'm gonna cut it off down here. I wanna let you the nose off my ferrule. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna follow up with this brush. I'm gonna take my Mario F4 brush and I'm just gonna blend this out. I did use it earlier. I love the smaller end too, so I'm just gonna blend. Let me use this side. Hold on. Yeah, thank you. I'm just gonna blend this more into my face. Again, we want that like toasted, like post-summer beat down. Like you still got your tan if you do like a U. And you look brilliant. Yeah, this is just not dark enough for me. I don't think it did anything, honestly. I don't think it did anything. I'm gonna go find the other shade. I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, and this one is in shade Tapper. I think I'm good with what it did on my forehead, but we will add a little bit more. So, and that's why it's good to get 2 of 1. Girl math. So I'm just gonna like blend this out. And you guys, I almost forgot to do my eyebrows. For my, what the heck? This is what happens when you have bundles. Anyways, I'm gonna take this Brow Tease by Morphe, and I'm just gonna lighten up my eyebrows a little bit more because they were looking a bit right now. And being that I have this hair color now, I can't slip up. Do my brows. And then now I'm gonna go in with a tiny concealer. I'm gonna take this concealer by Kylie Cosmetics and I'm gonna go right under my eye. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up off camera though. Let me just like blend it out. And yeah, perfect. Hey. So now I'm gonna go in with that same concealer, and I'm gonna use that concealer right under my eyes, and I'm gonna take I love this stuff, you guys. I'm low-key sad that, like, I could have sworn the makeup, the Kylie, as of October 18th, that's today's date, I could have sworn that's when it was supposed to drop. And I called my Ulta and they were like, well, we don't have anything. And I'm like, how do you guys not have the Kylie Cosmetic drops? Like, I'm obsessed with her stuff right now. Like, these two products in particular, like, I love down. Like, love down. I kind of do want to go a tiny bit lighter on in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm blur, and I'm gonna dab it in here. This literally looks like the same exact thing. That is so funny. Like, I've built a new hobby. Yeah, I started a new hobby of, like, even with just myself, I'll be like, that is so funny. And it's not funny, but it's just like, that's my new emote. Like, I'm just like, oh, that is so funny. What are you doing here? I don't think, why is, I'm not breaking up. But I'm taking this concealer brush, and then I'm just like tapping it all out on my forehead. Tap her out. And then it's because I didn't want to mix the bright concealer with everything else. And then I wanted to let my under eye marinate, so make it a little bit more tacky, gives you more control of the brush. And yeah, again, I'm gonna tap that same concealer back to where we got her from, and then blend her out, and then same brush, and then just tap her into my inner corners, and then blend her out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a beauty blender and then blend it all out, blend it all in. And then since it's around my eyes, I'd rather not have like a lot of things there, because around my eyes, like, I'd rather keep the amount of product that I have to a minimum. But I'm gonna use this brush to marry everything back together, because I want it to be seamless. I want it to give, you know? I want it to be seamless. I don't want it, and I hope we've been focused this whole time. I hope we've been focused this whole time. And I hope we've been focused this whole time. Thank you. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna set my eyes. I've been really loving this One Size powder, because I am a freak when it comes to sweating. So I'm gonna take a clean concealer brush and just have it all under my eyes. I try to keep it light under my eyes because I do crease, so I don't want a lot of product here. And then I haven't been wanting to wear a lot of makeup, so yeah. Remember, we still haven't done anything, but I'm gonna take this. I am in the shade 8 Warm Neutral, and oh, forgive me, because it happened earlier, and I swore I wasn't gonna put it on my face like that, and here I go. But I'm just gonna take this and put it where I didn't put anything else. And then, y'all, I missed the art of baking. You know what? I'm gonna bake under my eyes just a tiny bit, or not even. I'm just gonna press some more powder under my eyes. And again, this is one size. This is one size. You guys see how, like, we kind of reverse contoured? Like, I haven't even, I'm gonna take this is in the shade 10, and I'm gonna start bronzing now. Same brush from earlier though. I'm gonna start off with this warmer color, and I'm just gonna like bring yellowness back to my face, because I am literally a warm neutral girl, which sounds insane, but yes, like, I am warm and neutral undertones, so I like to bring back the yellowness if I lose it. And then I'm gonna follow up with the same exact shade, you guys. I'm gonna go away with the bottom shade now. And then, yes, this is what gives it, to me, this is what gives it the toasty look, considering that I don't wear a lot of shadow. And then I'm keeping it on the outskirts of the eye, because remember, there's drama that needs to be had around here, because we need to contour there. So now we're gonna be using my favorite product right now. This stuff is amazeballs. This is Kosas. Kosas does amazing things. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Kosas does amazing things. This is Kosas, and this is the shade Escape, but this is just their bronzer, and this stuff is just like second skin. Like, this is the type of makeup, I need to do a video on that. This is the type of stuff that I would wear if I wanted like a second skin look for my makeup. And then to bring up more warmth, I'm gonna hit my chin again, and then yes girl, yes girl. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Y'all don't laugh, it's a little bit ghetto, but I broke my powder. And I usually love the shade for like the middle of my face, so where we're gonna contour my nose. And it's usually like a nice, cute little shade. It's not too dark, not too neutral. Like, it's just like the perfect shade for me to contour my nose with. And honestly, it broke while it was still full, so I'm like, no. And I've owned these before, and somehow, some way, they all break. So that's why I was like, all the ones that I've owned have broken. So that's why I'm just like not too pressed on getting it replaced. So I just put it in this bag. I'm usually not good with like baked products. I'm not. Like, while we're here, exhibit numero dos. I broke my Rare Beauty one. And then with this one, we're gonna highlight, but we're gonna go in with a tiny eyeshadow brush. This is an eye detail brush by Morphe. And this is Rare's powder. I love this stuff, but I broke it, so. Uh-oh, I'm trying to open it without having it go everywhere. Okay. So let's highlight right over here. And then, oh my God, that is so pretty. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna take this same brush, from the same line. I'm gonna take this Morphe brush and just like blend it out a little bit. Blend it all out. Like, and then now I'm gonna do some highlight in my inner tear duct. And again, it's just to create contrast. I realized I like creating the contrast again without having to put more product on my nose. So this gives you a cute little teardrop look, but also we're playing with our dimensions again, which is so beautiful. So now, close her out. Oh. Okay, close the other one. Hey, yeah, how for that. Okay, so now you guys, for blush, I'm gonna take this NARS palette, and I'm gonna take these two right here, these two on top, and I'm just going to top off my face. Because I'm not a fan, like I'm not the biggest fan of blush, but like I'm learning why she is that girl. But I love orange blush. Like I just love, I'm an orange blush girly over, look at it. All right, now we're gonna calm down. I'm gonna go back in with the same, it was getting on my nerves, but I'm back. Where were we? I changed my battery. We have pressed my powder. Where am I? Oh, so since I put on so much powder, not so much, but I like to calm it down with this one size. Let it marinate a little bit, because this is where I'm like, okay, we're done with the powders. Now it's like, what if I don't want to add anything? This is the part where if I do want to do a little bit more powder, because now it's like true to the beat. Like, since we calmed everything down and we were setting it, but I do like a powder. I do like to do more setting powder, and this one is Huda Beauty, and I'm just gonna take a lot of that and dab it in here. And then this is where I love to get like really creative, because it just gives airbrushed. It just does. This is a 330 Caramel Toffee by Maybelline, and then taking this one. Then you guys, the holy grail of the mall, it is this. The holy grail of the mall is gonna be this L'Oreal 3 Second Infallible. This stuff is so good. I need a refill. Woo, woo, woo. A little teary-eyed. Now, easy infatuation. So now I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'm gonna be back, y'all. Good thing we had a lot. And prior to getting into the whole video, these lashes, I got them from Amazon. I will have them linked down below, but I love them so much, so much. and I don't need to cut them or do anything. I don't need to cut them or do anything to them, so I love that. You bad, Toby, you bad. Okay, guys, so I am back. I did my lashes and they look so good, so good. For my lip combo, I just cannot find what I usually line my lips with. So for my lip combo, I'm gonna be mixing a lot of stuff. So I'm just gonna show you right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this NYX. And this one, ooh, but I want more ashiness, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Dripped in Glaze and just right over here. And then around the lips, I'm gonna go in with just a lip gloss cocktail, basically. A lip gloss cocktail. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is a beat a piano man can do. That is a beat that Metro himself produced. A beat Metro himself produced. Come on now. A beat himself Metro produced. Come on. I'm just gonna